Quick and easy sugar cookies. Here is a quick walkthrough on how to make them. Cookie ingredients: 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup butter, softened, 1½ cups white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Stir together flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Step 3. Cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. Step 4. Beat an egg and vanilla. Step 5. Gradually blend in the dry ingredients. Step 6. Roll rounded dough into balls and place on ungreased cookie sheets. Step 7. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven. Step 8. Set aside to cool on wire racks. Happy baking!